Okay, so for this first project, I started with my Promeneo Tech folder over here on my desktop, and I CD'd into my desktop and terminal, followed by seeding into Promeneo Tech, and then into our week one CLI source control and variables folder. Once I was in that directory, I went ahead and added a week one assignment folder and then CD'd into that week one assignment folder. Once I was in there, I added a readme.md file, then went ahead and CD'd back into Promeneo Tech in that week one CLI source control and variables folder. I then initialized Git, went ahead and added the files that I had wanted to add to my Git repo. I then did a git commit -m first commit. As I kept going, then I saw I had my one file change, 0 insertions, 0 deletions. Went ahead and added git branch -m and changed it to main. Added my origin of my specific URL for the repo. And then I pushed out my files using git push -u origin main. Once I refreshed and I saw that I had that in my Git, after having made my repo and having it ready to go, once I saw that it was in there, I had my week one folder in GitHub. I went back and CD'd back into my week one assignment folder. I added a couple files like in the intro GitHub tutorial, index.html and scripts.js, and went ahead and added those folders. I then committed that change as this was a second push and noted that I added an HTML file and scripts.js file. Once I had those ready to go, 2 files changed. I went ahead and did git branch -m main, git push -u origin main. And I checked over on my GitHub account to make sure that those changes had been made. I was able to find my README file, index.html, and scripts.js files. I also have my week one assignment folder that has those files in there. So I knew that my pushes to my repo were successful.